Welcome to our Sixth Form Assembly for the week commencing the 22nd of November. I want to start by congratulating everyone for a fantastic fundraising effort for children in need. When I looked on Saturday, we'd raised over £2,000. I know the total is still rising. You can still donate on our Just Giving page. Thank you to Miss Young and all the house captains for leading the fundraising activities. It was a fantastic effort considering the limitations placed on us by the pandemic. If you would still like to donate to this fantastic cause, go onto the main Radyr website and you'll find the link to the Just Giving page, and you can still donate, and it'd be great to see if we can add some more funds to this fantastic effort already. Now, I also want to remind everyone that the last day you can vote in the Welsh Youth Parliament elections is the 22nd of November, so please don't waste your vote. Please make sure you meet the deadline. It'd be great if you can support Year 12 student Fionn Williams, who is standing for election. Fionn will be a brilliant candidate, and it would be fantastic to have somebody from Radyr representing both Radyr students and students in the wider community on the Welsh Youth Parliament. Now, over the next few weeks, we have some fantastic guest speakers who will be giving up their time to speak to us in our guest speaker sessions that take place on Teams at 5 p.m. Now, on Tuesday the 23rd of November at 5 p.m, we have Dr. Matthias Dortsaf, who is a Director of International Programmes and Scholarships at St John's College, Cambridge, and he's also the Director of Mathematics at St John's College, and he'll be offering advice to students who are thinking of applying to top universities in his session, so please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this. Now, on Thursday the 25th of November at 5 p.m, we're delighted to welcome Swansea University, who'll be putting on an interactive material science and engineering session for us, and there'll also be the opportunity to have a Q&A session with university staff about their research and about the different programmes they offer, so please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this. Now, on Tuesday the 30th of November at 5 p.m, we have a fantastic medicine talk from Luke Morgan. Now, Luke is a student at Cardiff University and he's in his final year at Cardiff studying medicine, and he'll be talking about his experiences of applying for and studying medicine, and he'll also be talking about the amazing charity that he set up, which is called Make a Smile. Now, Luke's charity has fantastic volunteering opportunities available for sixth formers, and they're great for anyone interested in healthcare or any caring profession. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this. And on Thursday the 2nd of December at 5 p.m, we're delighted to welcome Loughborough admission tutor Will Whitto, who'll be giving a general overview of Loughborough University. He'll be talking about the facilities on offer and the opportunities that they have at Loughborough. And in the second half of his session, he'll be talking about engineering and electrical engineering courses, and that's the subject that Will is the admission tutor for. So it's a great opportunity if you're interested in finding out more about Loughborough, and also if you're interested in electrical engineering or engineering in general. Now, if you're a Year 12 or Year 13 student who's interested in apprenticeships, please check out the UCAS Apprenticeship Fair, which takes place on the 30th of November. And at this event, you'll get lots of tips on how to make applications for apprenticeships and how the assessment processes work. You'll also get to speak to companies such as PwC and Rolls-Royce, and there'll be sessions on how to write a CV and how to prepare an application and how to do well at interviews. So this event takes place on the 30th of November, so please check out the UCAS website and your emails for details of how to attend this event. Now, in my previous assemblies, I've mentioned about an organisation called Young Professionals. Now, Young Professionals work with major companies and universities to provide opportunities for sixth formers. And on the 25th of November at 5 p.m, they have an event where you can find out all about GSK. Now, GSK is a science-led global healthcare company, and they'll have lots and lots of opportunities for sixth formers. So they'll talk to you about their business, and they'll talk about their pharmaceutical side of their business and the vaccine side of the business and the consumer healthcare side of the business, and you'll find out what it's like to work for a major company such as GSK. Now, if you're a student who's not interested in science or healthcare, this is still an excellent opportunity. Companies such as GSK will have a range of opportunities and school leavers programs, and you might be a student interested in business or technology or IT, and they'll have a range of opportunities at an international company such as this. Now, Young Professionals are also hosting an event with Vodafone between 5 and 6 p.m on Wednesday the 1st of December. And this is a fantastic opportunity to find about all the different careers and apprenticeships that they offer. And they offer software engineering and network engineering, project management apprenticeships, human resources, data analyst, IT, cybersecurity, and all sorts of management opportunities. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this fantastic event. Now, another great event for Year 12 and Year 13 students is this event being run on Tuesday the 7th of December, and this is also by young professionals, and they're bringing together PwC, CIMA, Grant Thornton and Mazars, four of the world's biggest companies, and they'll be talking about accounting and professional services careers, and each company will speak for 25 minutes, giving an insight in their business, and then they will run interactive workshops to give a taste of what it's like to work for such a big organisation and company. So please check your emails for details of this. It'd be great if you could sign up if you're interested in these sorts of careers. Now, I've mentioned previously that a great website to check out if you're interested in apprenticeships is a website called All About School Leavers, and they're running events with Rolls-Royce over the next few months where you can find out all about the different sorts of apprenticeship opportunities they offer, and they offer a range of technical and business opportunities, so please check your emails for details of this. Now, All About School Leavers will be also running events with Schroders, a global investment management company, and they have a virtual open evening on the 20th of January, and this is aimed at female students who may be interested in careers in technology. And they also have a virtual open evening taking place on the 2nd of February, and this is aimed at young people and their parents to find out more about the apprenticeship opportunities available at the firm. So please check your emails for further details about this. Now, if you're a student who's interested in accountancy, RSM, in partnership with All About School Leavers, are running a series of accountancy insight sessions, and these take place on the 7th of December, the 12th of January, the 19th of January, and the 9th of February, and they all take place at 5:30 p.m. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for these. Now, if you're a Year 12 or Year 13 student interested in attending university, we recommend that you attend open days to find out more about the different courses and opportunities available. And most universities will be running open days either virtually or face-to-face over the next few weeks and months. And a great website you should check out is opendays.com, because it will list all of these. They have an open day calendar, and it will link you directly to the university websites so you can book places on these open days. Now, another great website to check out if you're interested in university is unitasterdays.com. Now, this has a powerful search engine which will allow you to search for summer schools and taster sessions and masterclasses, which are all great for finding out whether certain courses or careers are suitable for you. So please check out this resource. You'll also find a link to it on the UCAS website, because they also promote this excellent resource for finding out more about taster courses, summer schools and masterclasses. Now, if you're interested in medicine, please check your emails for details of a medicine admissions conference that the University of Birmingham are running. And this takes place on the 27th of November, and it will take place on Zoom. And it's open to all Year 12 students who are studying at UK state schools. So please check out the University of Birmingham's website or your emails for details of how to sign up for this. Now, if you're a Year 12 student who's a member of the Serene network, please check your emails for details of how to sign up for the Serene annual conference, which takes place in December. This is a fantastic event. It's taking place virtually, and it will have a host of speakers from the world's top universities. It will talk about summer schools, it will talk about admission tests, it will talk about personal statements, it will talk about the different opportunities available, and it's a fantastic event. So please check your emails to sign up for this. Also, if you're a Year 12-7 student, I've emailed you about this great opportunity from Cambridge University. Serene have partnered with Cambridge to offer HE+, which is a programme of academic enrichment, and it will run from January to September, and it'll be online, and it's a fantastic series of webinars taking place throughout that period, so please check your emails for sign-up details. Now, if you're a student interested in applying to either Oxford or Cambridge University and you're in Year 12, please check out the unique summer schools that are offered by Oxford. These are a range of free summer schools. They're amazing, and our students who have undertaken these before have said they've been fantastic and have really helped them decide what they want to do. Now, although you can't apply yet, you can go on the website and register, and then they'll send you all the details when the applications do open. Now, many students may not be sure what sort of course they might like to pursue at university, and we recommend that students check out websites such as FutureLearn, which offer free online courses called MOOCs. MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Course, and leading universities will put together these courses to give you a taste of what it might be like to study this subject at university. Now, if you're interested in applying to university, it's worth checking out the University of Reading platform, because they'll offer lots of webinars to help you make an application, and they also have a platform that will offer you opportunities to undertake short courses on a variety of topics, and these are great for exploring whether particular courses and careers are suitable to you, and also they're great for giving you material for personal statements and apprenticeship applications. And over the last few weeks, I've been emailing out some great opportunities for students to engage with universities, employers and other organisations. Now, this first opportunity is from the University of Bristol, and it's called the Writing Wrongs Programme, and it's a programme designed to help students develop their writing skills. And in the programme, it will focus on social justice and writing, and participants respond to a social justice issue of their choice through writing either creatively or factually or in prose or in poetic form, and they'll work with professional writers and researchers to develop their writing skills. They'll learn about pursuing a career in writing and have opportunities to ask questions and get individual feedback from academics, professional writers and current students. Now, the deadline for applying for this is December the 12th, and it's a series of sessions that will take place online. And this is a great opportunity if you're interested in English or being a professional writer maybe in the future to develop your skills. So please check your emails for details of this. Now, they're also offering a second programme which is called Unlock the Arts Academy, and it allows students to learn more about the arts and creative industries, and you'll receive 6 virtual or physical sessions including masterclasses from professionals on how to get jobs in the industry such as publishing, broadcasting and production, and you'll hone your skills as a creative entrepreneur and get to visit some of Bristol's most interesting creative companies. Now, given this programme has some in-person sessions, students will need to be able to travel independently to the centre of Bristol for a 4:30 p.m. start. Now, we will support you with this. We will let you leave school early to attend these sessions if you are successful in gaining a place on the programme. So please check your emails for details of how to apply. Now, if you're a student who's interested in geography or science or business or economics or just the environment, this is a great webinar that you can attend on the 30th of November. It's with Steve Kenzie, who's the Executive Director of the United Nations Global Compact Network, and he'll be talking with Dr. Bella Aurora from Manchester Met about the different actions that businesses and universities and civil society can take to tackle climate change together. So please check out your emails for details of how to sign up for this great event. Now, if you're a student who's interested in journalism or broadcasting, you might want to check out this opportunity, and it's from an organisation called the John Schofield Trust, and they work with an online mentoring charity called Brightside to provide online mentoring for around 40 students who are considering journalism as a career. So it lasts 12 weeks and it takes place in the spring term, and you're eligible because you're at a sixth form in Cardiff, and Cardiff's been identified as an area they'd like to work with. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up for this. Now, in every assembly, I like to talk about the different apprenticeships and school leavers programs that are out there, and the BBC offer a range of apprenticeships in journalism, production, design, engineering, technology and business, and they'll be launching their latest apprenticeships in November. So please check out their website. They have a careers website where you can find out about the different training and apprenticeship opportunities, and they also have a great Twitter page called BBC Get In, where they give details of all the different apprenticeship opportunities available. Now, the BBC have apprenticeship opportunities that are local, so please check out their Twitter site and website for details of how to apply for these. Now, every year we have lots of students who are interested in quantity surveying, and this is an opportunity in Cardiff with a company called Waits, and they have quantity surveying apprenticeship opportunities, both higher apprenticeships and degree apprenticeships. So if you're interested in the higher apprenticeship scheme, you need to be on track to achieve 2 A levels at equivalent at grades DD, and you must have a minimum of 5 GCSEs at C or above. including maths and English. And if you're interested in the degree apprenticeships, you will need 3 A-levels or equivalent to grades BBB and a minimum of 5 GCSEs, including maths and English. And this role closes on the 28th of November. So if you want to apply, you must apply by the 28th of November, and then there'll be interviews and assessments taking place in 2022. So please check your emails for further details. Now, if you're a student who wants to stay in Wales but study for a degree apprenticeship, so this is where you work for a company and they pay for your degree, you could check out this degree apprenticeship opportunity from CGI, which is one of Wales's biggest companies. And the application deadline for this is the 31st of December. Now, they're offering a BSc Honours in Applied Software Engineering, and this is in partnership with Swansea University. So you would go to Swansea University 1 day a week, and you spend the other 4 days at the company developing your skills, and you will get experience in software engineering, IT support, and software testing. And after 3 years, you will qualify with this degree. So this is a great opportunity to earn money while you learn. So please check out your emails for details of this. And you can also find this opportunity on the Rate My Apprenticeship website, which is a great website for finding apprenticeship and school leavers programs. Now, lots of students will tell me they're interested in legal careers. And if you are interested in a legal career, you may not have thought about a solicitor apprenticeship that you can do. Now, CMS are a law firm and they're offering solicitor apprenticeships, and these are 6-year programs. Now, you will have your degree paid for and you'll be earning a salary of between $18,000 and $20,000 for each year of this program. So there's an opportunity to earn while you learn. And they are located at Bristol, London, Sheffield and Manchester. So you could work at Bristol, you could study for a law degree, and you could qualify as a solicitor, and you could earn money while you do this. So this is another great opportunity. Now, if you're a Year 13 student who's not sure whether to apply to university or whether you want to apply for an apprenticeship, you could consider a gap year. And IBM are offering gap year placements where you could work for them. You'd earn a salary of $18,000. You would get training in business and technology. And then you could either apply for an apprenticeship with IBM or you could apply for university. So it's called their Futures Gap Year Placement Scheme. And I've sent you details of this by email. So please check your emails for details of how to apply. Now, as we come to the end of this assembly, I just want to say well done to our Year 13 students who've sent off their UCAS forms. We sent around 50 applications off already, and the students have had fantastic offers, and some students in Year 13 have had all 5 offers from their universities. Now, I just want to remind everyone that if you're in Austin, Curie, Freud or Holmes, I'm your UCAS referee. If you're in Keynes, Pascal or Thomas, it's Miss Jones. And students must get their personal statement passed by their form tutor before they contact their UCAS referee. Now, we will continue to process UCAS applications right the way through the autumn term, and it's important that you work with your form tutors to get a really good statement, and then it will come to us and we will give you the support you need as your UCAS referee to make sure that your UCAS form is correct and that we have a really, really top-notch statement to send off. Now, as we close this assembly, I just want to remind everyone of the great resources that have been put together by the WJC to support you with your revision. Now, lots of subjects will be giving students topic tests in the next few weeks. So to support you with this, please check out the revision resources from the WJC. You can go onto the WJC website or just put into Google WJC plus resources and you come straight to this page. It's full of great knowledge organisers, revision guides, blended learning resources, exam walkthroughs, etc. And these have been put together by examiners and experienced teachers to support you with your revision. So don't forget to check these out. It'll be a great resource to help you. Now, I hope everyone has a fantastic week, and if you have any worries or concerns, please don't hesitate to talk to your form tutors, your subject teachers, or a member of the Sixth Form team, because we're all here to help and support you. Have a fantastic week, everyone, and please come and see us if you have any worries at all.